All right, hey guys, OFD checking in here on a Wednesday night, and tonight we're going to be taking a look at a folding pocket knife. Now, about once a month going forward, I'm going to probably pull out a new knife, and we're going to take a look at it here on the channel. What I'd really like from you guys, if there's knives out there that you guys know of and you'd like me to take a look at or review here on the channel that are under $100, let me know down below in the comments and we'll check them out. Now, I'd like to stick with folding knives, pocket knives. I really love Swiss Army knives and stuff like that we can take a look at. But anything you know of that you'd like to see me review here on the channel, we're going to start doing a few knives here and there. So let's go ahead and jump into this one. Now, this is CRKT, like I said, Columbia River Knife and Tool out of Oregon here in the United States. This is a cool brand. I've known them for quite a number of years. I just showed you what it is there, huh? But they partner up with really great knife designers throughout the industry and throughout the world to come up with great designs, and then they contract out to have these knives made. So this one, I'll go ahead and show you the reference number, is the 7096, the CEO. This is a new model from CRKT, and it seems to be super popular right now. As a matter of fact, on Amazon, it's like their #1 seller. So I'm going to leave a link down below where you can pick one of these up on Amazon. I think they're under $35 right now. So really cool knife. So let's go ahead and get the box open and take a look at the CEO, the 7096. Now, first thing off, you guys can see it is a slender knife. Now, it's called the CEO because kind of the idea is that the design will be easy to slip into a pocket, a jacket pocket, or even, your scrubs. If you're wearing scrubs, you're a doctor. It's a very nice, slim profile knife that can clip right in and do what you need to. Now, this is a fiberglass reinforced or fiberglass or glass-filled reinforced handle on this with liners on it. As you guys can see, it has nice thick liners through there. And this is a 3.1-inch blade on this. Now, the blade style, I'm not exactly sure. I'm not great on blade styles. This reminds me almost like of a Hisatsu style blade on this knife. I've had a Hisatsu knife here in the past, and it reminds me of that. You've got your thumb stud here sticking out for easy opening. This does have a roller bearing assist to it, so as you guys can see, it comes open very nice and quick. Closed, you're looking at just over, or just under, I should say, 4.5 inches on this, so it's very nice, very well done. The steel they're using on this is let me get this open again, is the 8CR13 MOV with a Rockwell hardness of 58 to 60 on that Rockwell scale. You've got a satin blade finish on this here. You've got a thickness of just under 1/10 of an inch. So it is a thin blade, but it's nice for delicate work and whatnot. Very clean, useful looking blade. I mean, I'd cut my steak with this knife. It looks so nice. So very cool knife. I'm really happy with this. So Richard Rogers, he's been designing knives since basically back to 1997, but he says he's only been serious about making knives for about the last 4 years. But he's a rancher down in New Mexico and a designer. So, he designs tools that work and really get the job done. So this is a really neat offering from CRKT. And I think for the price of, 35 or whatever dollars it is, this is a great knife. If you work in an industry where you need something small and unobtrusive, this is definitely going to fit the bill. The shape of the blade and whatnot is very nicely done. You guys can see on the inside there with the liners, they have drilled holes on those to lighten them up so you don't have too much weight in the liner. But it's a really stiff knife, very good, tension here on the blade. Nothing really to worry about. The pocket clip, very nicely done and polished. As you can see, it's held in there with 2 Torx screws that probably go right through that fiberglass liner into this stainless steel liner here. So cool knife from CRKT, guys. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description where you guys can check these out at Amazon and pick one up for yourselves. Definitely a very nice, clean pocket knife. You'll probably see this being used for some unboxings here on the channels because I'll probably be carrying this knife quite a bit. So, all right, guys, check down in the description if you want to pick one of these up from Amazon. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up down there at the bottom. And if you've not subscribed to the OFD channel yet, please do. Please do. All right, thanks, guys.